and I'm just praying that this turns out. If it doesn't, this is a very expensive mistake. Welcome to episode 3 of our landscape series, where we are going to be putting in the front walkway that I have been drumming up in my mind for quite some time. I know she's going to be gorgeous. Are you ready for this, Joel? Not only is he my cameraman, he is my contractor. What did you say? This is going to be wrapped up in 2 weeks? 2 weeks. See you in 2 weeks. Joel, you have 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to put my... We won't keep that.
I liked it. Save that for Joel's videos. We are dead level with our laser. The laser is lasering. Dead level right there. We have a little lip of concrete that is sticking off, and our next step is actually going to start right here, roughly here, but that gives only like 1 inch right here for that concrete to hold on to. That will inevitably break. Water will get behind there, it will freeze, and that will be a very weak spot. So we want it to be as strong as possible, so we've got to get rid of this lip, but we don't want to just whack this lip hard and off because it could crack up this. We've scored it with the grinder already, and now we're going to go back and perforate it with these drills just so that we can protect the porch as best we can.
I was genuinely so scared that this was not going to break off well and that this stair was going to break or crack. And I'm so grateful that it didn't. You okay not having a shirt on camera?
On these handles.
I think you look so cute. I mean, it is hot.
It's so hot.
It is so hot. And you don't want a farmer's tan.
We don't want a farmer's tan.
Yeah, it's okay. That's a professional sprinkler we've got right there. Austin, that's like really good. Watch how it comes back. That's really good. I don't know why I'm shocked every time you do anything, Joel, but I'm shocked every time at how freaking good it is. You tired? Mm-hmm. I know. Do you want to come in? Mm-hmm. Have dinner ready.
What is dinner?
Just the stupid cordon bleus from the freezer.
I freaking love those things.
I don't want them. So that's the outside line of where the concrete line. That's the outside or inside?
Outside. That's the very most outside.
Okay. And so right here is going to be the, what's it called? The flower bed.
My little boss was doing this. His ring fell off.
Oh my gosh. It's not too late to call it quits on the diamond, Joel. We can always change our mind. We do not have to do the diamonds.
I want to, though. I really want to.
I'm sorry. Are you using the hose that you just put in? That's incredible.
I've been using those hoses since the day we put them in.
It's nice that they actually work.
They work great. They
Yeah.
put out a ton of water power.
Yeah. So each diamond is 3 feet.
Let me get right here. Hold on.
I love that the boys
They were going to be
here.
3 feet, but it was too big. It was way too big. It would put your ropes around here.
Perfect. I'm glad
and
they're
I
not
wanted to shrink
3
it.
feet.
So each diamond is 30 inches.
That's perfect.
It's
Oh
30
my
and
gosh.
3/4, and then the diagonal, like the longest point to point, you know, is 42 inches.
So they're not perfectly square?
They're perfectly square.
Oh.
The diagonal is...
Oh, got it. That's going to be perfect.
So it puts you at 12 feet.
They're substantial, but they're not like huge.
Yeah, I wanted it to feel big.
So you can walk on it nicely. Okay. I feel like I have been distracting Joel quite a bit from being able to work on this project. There's just things just keep coming up, or I have to leave and he's got to help me with the kids or something. So I feel like I'm really distracting him from his project. With the heat out here though, I feel like that's maybe not the worst thing in the world. I can see he has all of his camera equipment up. I can see all of his tools are out. There's even a shirt on the floor. And I'm not exactly sure what stage he's at or what he's doing, but here it is. So maybe it wasn't me distracting Joel. Maybe it's the kids. What are you guys doing?
Taking a break.
Taking a break. We were dying of heat.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Sweating our guts out.
Tell me it's hot outside without telling me it's hot outside.
Well, we're swapping out one piece of equipment, the skid steer, for another one, because now we're going to start pouring concrete and digging all of our perimeter. So I don't want to dig anymore by hand. That's terrible. So we're swapping this guy out. By far, Sunbelt have been my favorite drivers coming around our area. One, because they get the biggest trucks down here, and two, because I don't have to worry about them. They just navigate this road just fine, cruise around just fine. I love it. Needed a few supplies. Oh, baby. We'll get this rodeo going. Let's go.
I'm up in Joel's closet and I look down and he has got Lincoln showing him how to run this little bitty tractor. It's about the cutest thing I've ever seen. And here's the thing, I think they both think that they're playing. What I'm about to show you is round 2. Round 1 did not go as planned. And I don't even know the difference, but I know it was stressful for Mr. Hoellein. So may I present to you round 2. Here's what we're looking like. Repeatedly, I have offered to not do diamonds because this is a lot more than we anticipated. Joel is a machine and he has been outside and he has been working non-stop. I'm so grateful that today was overcast for him. I could be wrong, but I think he loves me. Well, today's the day. I cannot believe we are ready to pour concrete. I pray we're ready to pour concrete. This has been a labor of love for Joel, for sure. Are you ready for this?
I hope so.
I hope so too. I don't think you guys understand how nervous I am. I am terrified. Maybe it's because I don't know the process and I'm supposed to be helping. I'm the worst helper ever and I don't know what I'm doing and I'm just praying that this turns out. If it doesn't, this is a very expensive mistake.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough.
We started at 8 o'clock It is now 3 o'clock, and already Joel is framing for the new walkway. I do not know how he's doing it. I'm literally sitting here feeling like I'm gonna die. My back hurts so bad. I don't physically know how he's doing this. This is Olivia's friend that's here, and I don't know what we would do if he wasn't here either. He is a lifesaver. I think I'm just gonna close the vlog. This is pretty crazy. I'm just like intermittently crying and laughing and literally absolutely sick to my stomach. I cannot believe that this is the situation we're in. But it is, so I'm gonna close the vlog here.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you